Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree decor crafts. These are going to be farmhouse summertime fun with a little picnic flair. You guys, I love to share with you all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. And I know you guys love to save money and have fun decorating as well. So you guys, without further ado, plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, I was inspired by this Pottery barn flag photo. So I want to take an old thrift store frame that I painted white, and then Dollar Tree sells these American flags. They're really a nice size. I'm just going to hot glue the plastic part to one side of my frame, and then to the other side of the frame, I'm going to hot glue the flag part. It did not exactly fit inside of this vintage frame, but I thought it came out really cool nonetheless. It goes perfectly for this farmhouse American as apple pie little table setting that we're going to create, and I ended up even bringing it inside and using it in my kitchen. With the 4th of July approaching, I just thought it would be absolutely amazing. And remember, you can change out the flag for whatever country or whatever decor style that you're going for, but how cute at a fraction of the cost. So the next thing I want to do is attach this darling little basket that I found at the thrift store. I'm just running a pipe cleaner through the bottom of it. I want to do a different twist on a wreath. Instead of using a wreath base, we're going to kind of create a floral with this cute little basket. So just loop a pipe cleaner through the bottom of your basket and then tie it on to whatever you're going to be using for decor. And for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm just going to take some of that Dollar Tree deco mesh. I love these bright, vibrant colors for a picnic, for 4th of July Patriotic, or really you could use them for any fun little picnic idea. They're so brightly colored, but I'm just tying it in a bow like you would tie your shoelaces, and then I'm taking a pipe cleaner and pipe cleaning it onto this cute little farmhouse fence. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, take one of those little Dollar Tree metal buckets. I had painted mine white and dropped some styrofoam down in the center. And then for this little picnic floral, we are going to use 2 Dollar Tree sunflower florals. I just kind of like spread them apart a little bit so they would go down in here a little bit better. And then for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to use this strawberry pickin' sign. This was actually attached to 2 other signs. And then I'm just using this little plastic stick from one of the Dollar Tree little flag decor pieces, and then I'm going to hot glue this to the back of the sign, and then I just used a little tag. Now I decided I wanted this to show from both sides, so I'm adding this cute little good vibes sign to the back of this as well, and that way when you view this floral, it'll be really cute from either side. And then the next thing I wanted to do was go ahead and hot glue a little bit of kind of greenery grass to kind of give that summer vibe, like we have just been fresh out in the garden doing some strawberry picking. To tie in some of those pops of yellow, I'm adding some hot glue and a little bit of Queen Anne's lace that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. It was the perfect little pop of color to add into this. And then I did go ahead and reinforce the stick. The plastic stick wasn't quite enough with the Good Vibes sign added, so I did glue a popsicle stick to the base of this just to kind of reinforce it and help it pop into that floor a little bit better. And then I just popped it into the center of this flora, and how adorable is this? This is so picnic ready, and look at how perfect it is for this little outdoor picnic garden party space. You all can use it during the 4th of July or patriotic holiday, and it can also translate into just some summer fun. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take 2 of those Dollar Tree buffalo check plaid scarves. I'm using the red scarf and just the black and white one, and I'm just tying them on like you would tie your shoelaces to the side of this basket. Now I'm going in with some of this Dollar Tree raffia. I want to give it that kind of a fun outdoorsy look, and then I'm adding in this God Bless America sign that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well. But just think about this. You guys can use any Dollar Tree sign. They have a ton of fun summer signs and whatnot, and you guys can interchange this as well. Now I'm using one of those Dollar Tree Gerber daisies and just some greenery. I also popped in some of those cute little sparkly blue butterflies up at the top, a couple of Dollar Tree ferns to the side, and then a couple of little Dollar Tree greenery and some tulips over here. And voila, you have a very fun new take on a wreath. And how fun and picnicky is this? Of course, I am going to tie in my table centerpiece, but also here's a little idea. I just popped in that Welcome to Paradise sign just to give you guys an idea that this can go for really any decor. Just change out the signs and you guys have a really fun little summertime decor piece that's different than a wreath. Even though wreaths are super fun, I thought this was a great little take, and who doesn't love having a little basket during the summertime? You can also pick baskets up at the thrift store. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm just going to take and begin to decorate this little fence. I'm using this flag that had seen better days, so I just want to honor it and tuck it into this decor piece, and I'm just looping it in with a bit of pipe cleaner, and then I want to take and use one of those Dollar Tree buntings. These are actually a paper bunting, so be careful with this. If you guys are going to use this where it's getting weather, you may want to put it underneath a covered porch, or just remember to remove it once your party is over if you want to be able to reuse it. But I just looped it around the edge of my fence, and I went ahead and looped it around the back part of my fence. This little bunting from Dollar Tree was so adorable, and it looks very high end without breaking the bank. So here's kind of a little close-up of how this came out. I love the stars. I think that this can translate into summer, even beyond 4th of July, just because the pops of color are so fun and just so summer ready. But this is adorable and perfect for that patriotic party. So now I'm going to go ahead and set our table. And so I'm adding in a lace tablecloth, and then I'm just using this white tablecloth as an overlay. So now I'm going to add into this little table setting a burlap table runner. It was perfect for this to kind of give that farmhouse a vibe. And then I want to go in with some plates, but I also wanted to add one of those Dollar Tree buffalo check plaid scarves. I used the red and black on this to tie in some of the pops of red that I had over there on the fence. Now for this Dollar Tree DIY, we're just going to set a Dollar Tree table. So I'm using some of those Dollar Tree bamboo little placemats, and then some of those Dollar Tree silver chargers, and then I'm just going in with some white thrift store plates, but Dollar Tree also has white dinner plates as well. And then I want to go ahead and add a basket to the centerpiece of my table, and then my little Dollar Tree floral. This is that Dollar Tree lemon cake. If you guys have not seen some of my fun cake videos, definitely check those out. I'm adding in some of those Dollar Tree red, white, and blue little straws for my table, and then to give it a picnicky vibe, you can add in the Dollar Tree kind of picnic napkins. These are just paper napkins. I'm adding them underneath the smaller plate. I thought this looked so adorable. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm taking some of those Dollar Tree 4th of July wands, and I'm just taking them off of the plastic piece. I want to make like a little place card. They did kind of tear off notes, not so great. I should have probably just cut them off. So I'm just cleaning up those raw edges with my scissors and cutting a tiny triangle in the center. And then I'm going to take a Sharpie and just write my family's name on there. I thought this was a fun little customized, fun kind of picnicky vibe for Patriotic and 4th of July. And it was just so easy to do. So definitely think outside the box when you see some of those little Dollar Tree decor pieces. And I'm just adding them to the center of the plate. And I did want to go ahead and just see what it would look like if I added some of these Dollar Tree Stars and Stripes napkins. So I decided to add them underneath the picnic napkin. Again, it gave that little pop of contrast. I'm really going for kind of that high-end Pottery Barn look without breaking the bank. And so here it is, this outdoor fun farmhouse American patriotic little picnic. I thought it turned out absolutely perfect and oh so adorable. I did even add in some fresh fruit with strawberries and blueberries and oranges, and then some little biscuits, and then even some more fruit into my basket. You guys get totally creative with this. Have fun. This is definitely a relaxed picnic, but I hope this gave you guys some ideas on like a little 4th of July patriotic or even just a farmhouse outdoor picnic setting. I even added my little bag with the buffalo check plaid scarf to tie in some more of those pops of red. So how fun and adorable is this? I have saved a seat for you all at my 4th of July patriotic picnic outdoor garden party. Absolutely adorable. I hope this gave you guys some fun, easy ways that you can create a really kind of classy outdoor picnic space without breaking the bank. I love to share with you guys how you can save money by using some of those seasonal items from Dollar Tree. You can even look for some of these things at your Walmart or whatever store that you have that's a discount store. Just by the way you put things together, it's really easy to make them look a little bit more high-end without breaking the bank, and this is so festive and fun and ready for an outdoor garden party. You guys can also bring this inside if it's too hot where you're at. I hope you guys are inspired and loving this. Comment and let me know what's your favorite one. So thank you all so much for joining me on another DIY decorating adventure. It is a true blessing and an honor to have you all here. Thank you guys for all of your love, support, kind comments, shares, and likes. It is so felt, trust me. If you're new and you love to do DIYs and decorate, I have a ton of videos for you, fun ideas of how you guys can save money and make your home look fabulous. You don't have to break the bank. So I hope you guys are having an amazing summer. I wish you a beautiful, blessed day. Thank you guys again, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.